Hey, what's going on, you guys? Chad Christian from CWC Technologies, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Sony A7 III. This is the brand new full censored camera from Sony. You can see here it's got a 24.2 megapixel high ISO, up to 10 frames a second, that super eye autofocus, 5-axis image stabilization. So let's get into the box. Make sure if you guys like this video, you click that thumbs up and subscribe. I will do other videos on this. I'm going to do a comparison between this and the Sony A6500 if you want. So there's the strap, looks pretty good. Now this also comes with a kit lens, so this is the lens that it came with. Oh, it feels pretty good in the hand. Thought it was going to feel cheap, but so this is the 3.5 to 5.6 aperture 28 to 70. It was only $200 more to get it with this lens, so why not? It also comes with the hood. This is the body. We're going to set that aside just for 1 second so we can go through here. Let's be the battery. Yep. Now the nice thing with this model is it does come with this longer life capacity battery. You can see it's the lithium Z battery. So much better. They're saying like 3 times better than the battery that I'm using on the Sony A6500 camera right now. So here is the AC charger, micro USB. You can charge the camera. Let's go ahead and get into the body here. So there it is. So that's what the body looks like. So over here on the right hand side, it does have a dual memory card slot, which is great. Also handles the faster card, so that's cool. The back, of course, has got the same 3-inch LCD touchscreen that the A6500 had on it. Something that's cool on here, though, is you can see it's got a joystick. Over on the left-hand side, looks like you've got your mic input, headphone jack, mini HDMI, and I don't like these doors. I wish they flipped like the memory card door was. Looks like USB-C and a micro USB right there. Up on the top, of course, for this shoe, pull that out so we can put all of our accessories on there. No lock mechanism on this dial. You can see your customizable buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's oh yeah, it feels good. Put this battery in here, see if it's got any juice. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put this lens on it. See, it's got the push button right there. There's your sensor. Click. That's what the lens looks like. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead and set this all up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so you can see here that the menu system is your typical Sony setup. If you guys have any questions or comments or like to see anything special about it, make sure you leave it down below. I do answer as many questions as I can. I know I'm going through these fast. If you want to slow them down, you can just rewind the video or rewatch it. Very cool. And that's going to do it for my unboxing video. I will do some more videos with some pictures and video and some comparisons. So if you would, click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.